Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fact Story. In this video, you will know about some amazing, interesting and mind-blowing facts that you have never heard of. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Fact number 1. Oranges are not orange, but actually green in color. The first ever oranges that were imported to the West were from Southeast Asia and were green in color. This was the Tangerine Pomelo hybrids, which was originally green. In fact, the oranges grown in warmer parts of the world like Vietnam and Thailand stay green throughout their lifetime. In cooler countries, oranges do turn orange in color. This happens when the air temperature drops, the chlorophyll in the peel dies off, exposing the orange pigment underneath. Moreover, oranges in many parts of US and Europe are grown in warmer climates, picked when they are green in color and transported to cooler places. Since oranges do not ripen once harvested, many green oranges are artificially colored orange. Oranges that are green in color are thought to be unripe in the US and Europe, and they cannot be sold to the general public. As a result, oranges are artificially colored from green to orange in color. Just know the fact that oranges need not to be orange in color to be a true orange. Fact number 2. Did you know that Russia is twice the area of Pluto? Even after the disintegration of Soviet Union into several small countries, Russia is still the largest country on Earth. Russia contains almost half of the landmass on Earth. Moreover, it is larger than 3 continents: Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. In fact, if every single human on Earth moved to Russia, each one of us would have approximately 3 square kilometers of land to ourselves. On the other hand, Pluto is the 9th and the smallest planet of our solar system. There is an interesting fact that links Russia and Pluto. Russia has bigger surface area than Pluto. Yes, you heard me right. With approximately 66,02,668 square miles of landmass, Russia beats Pluto's surface area by 64,37,805 square miles. But Pluto is bigger than rest other countries in terms of surface area. Fact number 3. South Pole is the only place on Earth that consists of multiple time zones. The reason is Earth is round and all the longitude lines meet up there. So what about the time the people doing research there follows? The stations on the South Pole use the time zone of the country that owns the station. It means 2 stations may be located close to each other but could be using 2 different time zones. An interesting fun fact: when you are standing at the geographic South Pole, all longitude lines converge at the exact point, meaning that you are literally standing in all 24 time zones. You can step from today into yesterday, then to tomorrow within seconds. It is the only place on Earth where time travel is possible. Fact number 4. Google, which is one of the largest company in the world, on an average has acquired a new company each week since 2010. As of April 2021, Google, or Alphabet, which is its parent company, has acquired 248 companies since its incorporation in 1998. The company increased its pace of acquisition from 2010, and so far now, on an average, Google has an acquisition of one company every week since 2010. Its biggest acquisition till date is Motorola Mobility. Motorola Mobility is a mobile device manufacturing company. It was acquired by Google for approximately $13 billion, but the acquisition did not turn up well, and later was sold to Lenovo for less than a quarter of its acquisition price, approximately $3 billion. Google also acquired YouTube 15 years ago, and it is considered to be the best tech deal by any company. In addition, most of the companies acquired by Google are based in the United States. Fact number 5. Do you know the first 3D film was released way back in 1922? The Power of Love, the first 3D film, was released in cinemas on September 1922. This was the first 3D film and was premiered at the Ambassador Hotel Theatre in Los Angeles on September 1922. Another interesting fact about the film, it even came with alternative ending that was decided by closing one eye or the other. But sadly, the film is lost and has not been found for decades now. A bonus fact, despite good reviews and innovations in technology, the movie was not a success in 3D. It only received 2 shows in 3D. After that, a reworked version was launched in 2D the following year under the name Forbidden Love. And guess what? The movie had a grand success afterwards. Thank you friends for watching this video. The facts mentioned in this video are based on our research. And if you think that we have made any mistake, do leave us a comment in the comment section. If you like the content of this video, give us a like and share it with your friends and families. And do not forget to subscribe the channel to get such more interesting facts. Thank you.